Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we create this 3D fully animated website. So let's get started. Firstly, open VS Code and open your folder. Now make HTML and CSS file. Now write HTML boilerplate code. Now change the name to 3D animated website. Create a nav with class navbar. Inside the nav, make h1 heading logo and give it class logo. Create an order list and give it class menu. Inside it, create li item. Now outside the UL, create one button and give it class button. Now check once this is our web page. Now link the CSS. Now we have to give it basic styling. Before styling further, go to Google Fonts and search Poppins. This is the font we have to use. Click Get Font and copy this embedded code. Paste it in HTML file. Now again go to Google and copy the font family code what you want and paste it in CSS. Now give styling to body and HTML. Give height 100 ph and width 100%. Then give styling to body, display flex direction column and color white. Now give styling to navbar, display flex, justify space around, align item center, height 80 pixel and background color black, z-index +1. Now give style to menu, display flex, align item center, list style none, grab 60 pixel. Now give styling to logo, font size to rem, background color give it in linear gradient. Now give styling to menu li, font size 1 rem. Now we have to give the styling to button, color white, padding 10 pixel 40 pixel, border radius 10 pixel, border none. Now go to Google Chrome and search Spline. This is the website. Click on it. Make an account. I have an account. So this is the website where you get a lot of 3D models. Select what you want to add. I have select this. Go to this. Click on export and click on viewer and copy this code. Now paste this code in HTML file. Now copy the second line and paste it in the body tag and give it class background. In CSS, give it styling, position absolute, top 0, left 0, height 100%, width 100%. Now your website is ready, but here you see that watermark of this website is shown. I have a trick to solve this. Go to this style.css file. In the background, give transform scale 1.2. Now the scroll bar has shown. Go to the CSS file. Give body overflow hidden. Now your fully 3D animated website is ready. If you want to add another 3D model, go to the website and select what you want to add. Copy the code and paste it in the HTML file. Change the 3D model code to this one. Now you have seen that a 3D model is imported in the website. Thanks for watching and follow for more content like this.